We are doing our sheep brain dissection. Here is our brain, a small thing. Okay, so here are the cerebral hemispheres. And we have the cerebellum right here, and then the brainstem. Okay, we have frontal lobe, temporal lobe, parietal lobe, and occipital lobe. Look here. Sorry, I have my daughter helping me turn pages here. Turn. Okay. So we are gonna remove the meninges. Little clear cover. Kind of hard to take off. Well, mine's coming off in pieces. Okay. Here's some of it.
It's a big chunk so far.
Mine's, oh, the pieces are falling. So here are those. Oops. You're in my light.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. It's coming off. I don't know if it's gonna, I don't think it's gonna come off in one piece, but I think it's gonna come off in a bunch of little pieces. Okay. All right. Yeah, mine's just coming out in little pieces. I don't know if anybody else is having luck with it just all coming off all at once.
You want me to go check on Papa?
Page turn. Okay, I think that's all we're gonna be able to pull off.
Well, you could use the knife as well.
All right, so flipping our brain over. This is this portion right here is our medulla, portion right here. Then we have the pons, which is this portion right here, and the cerebellum right here. So cerebellum, pons, and medulla. Okay. All right. Next we have olfactory bulbs, which are a little hard to see, but
Why do they remind me of flaps?
these right here, I don't know if you can really see them. There's one right here. Here's the other one right here. So olfactory bulbs, one here and one right there. And optic chiasm is right here. Optic chiasm right here. And olfactory bulbs right there. Okay. One more turn. All right, so we're gonna place the brain. Excuse me. And we're looking at top side, so dorsal side. And we're gonna slowly pull the two hemispheres away. So separates pretty easily there. And there is the corpus callosum right here. It's a little hard to see, but right there. All right. So now we're going to cut through it. We're going to cut along the longitudinal fissure all the way through the brain. Okay. And we have our two halves of the brain. Okay. And here is the cerebellum. Corpus callosum right here. And here are the ventricles. One right there. And one right here. Okay. Okay. So then we have our spinal cord right here. Right above the spinal cord, excuse me, is our medulla. Oh, sorry. Our medulla. And then we have our pons right here. Then up here, we have the thalamus. And then the hypothalamus. child. Okay. Here's the other part, the same. Okay, and then we are looking at gray and white matter of the sagittal section of the cerebellum. So the cerebellum does resemble a tree. A little hard to see, but right here looks like a little branched out tree. Same on the other side. Right here, I think this one might be a little bit easier to see. Okay. Okay, and then the white matter appears white for the myelin, and then the gray matter for the cell bodies. So you can see a little bit of grayish color in there. Okay, so we are going to make a couple of coronal cuts. All right. First cut we'll make kind of right here. Sorry, I'll lift it up in one sec. Oops. Excuse me. And this is what it's looking like. And then the hippocampus right here. Sorry, it's hard to see. Right here. Another one here. There it is again. Right there. Our other piece. Right there. Right picture. Oh, I think that's it. No, go back. And those were the pieces of our sheep brain. Go back a page. All right, so again, spinal cord, medulla, pons, because I sliced it, it's a little hard to see, but the hypothalamus and the thalamus. Here's a little bit more of our meninges. Now that I cut the brain into pieces, it's coming apart. All right. And that is our sheep brain.